subjugation. This is a very important terminology, but not popular in conventional language. This terminology widely used in philosophy and theology. Even though we encounter in our daily life, everyday relationship, but we don't use this terminology widely. Whenever we love our enemies, whenever we love the different view and different opinion person, absolutely, and our enemies and our opposite person when appreciate us, it is called natural subjugation. To get appreciation from our enemies, it is not an easy task. It is most challenging and most difficult work of this world. For making enemies a friend and for getting subjugation from our enemies, we need to follow absolute love, absolute faith, and absolute obedience. If we do little mistake, if understand our enemies, our mistake, we need to again indemnify this mistake. Otherwise, our enemies will not believe us. Sometimes will satire us. Sometimes they will more hate. So our peace tour, our life tour, it is not easy. Whenever we get natural subjugation from our enemies, we need to love, serve, and understand others, understand the enemies. Otherwise, psychologically, we cannot get power. We need to follow very simple and very easy way. Forgive, forget, and love. Whenever we forgive our enemies, whenever we forget the past mistake, we can love. Whenever we continuously love the person whom we don't like, automatically our enemy understand positively. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, such way whenever we will continuously love our enemies, the enemy will of course someday appreciate us. This is one kind of declaration of our goodness. Without getting the natural subjugations from our enemies, even though we do good job, we will not get good result. So we need to love the person whom we don't like as our best. Otherwise, even though we'll spend our life, even though we'll invest our all knowledge, skill, and property for others' benefit, we will not get good result. Spending property, spending money, spending Knowledge and effort is not issue. Issue is the motivation. Whenever we really appreciate and love our enemies with objective views, our enemy will become our friend. At least we'll say, yes, I don't like the person, but this person is good. This type of declaration indicates our success, and such way we become a successful person in our personal life, in our family life, in our societal life, even in our global life. If we study the great man's life, we can easily understand all great men's life is full of suffering because they love their person. They love the person whom they don't like beyond the condition. So we need to follow and love the persons unconditionally. Otherwise, our success will not come easily.